Modernizing legacy applications fast almost seems like some sort of a contradiction, but luckily there are possibilities to do this. So for instance, when we look at USoft, we have a specific technology in-house which we use to unravel legacy code. So for instance, AS400 COBOL. And what we can do with this technology is that we basically mine a lot of details from existing legacy code bases. So for instance, business rules, data entities, model, effective, ineffective code. We can regain up to 95% of information locked into legacy code, which basically streamlines the entire modernization process and regains critical business knowledge. And in addition to that, we provide an incremental modernization approach. So what we do with this is that we take a large modernization project and we dissect it in little pieces to lower the risk and to achieve faster results. And we can recapture business knowledge otherwise locked into legacy code.